Segment 4. Stem cells. A Cinderella story. In our last video, we talked about bioinformatics. But that's just one of the technologies enabling personalized medicine. Another technology that is making personalized medicine a reality is induced pluripotent stem cells. How? Well, iPS cells are kind of like Cinderella's glass slipper. The prince meets the love of his life, but she quickly disappears, leaving behind only her glass slipper. To find the love of his life, he tests thousands of different feet throughout the kingdom to find the one that fits the best. The assumption, of course, is that this foot that fits will belong to the love of his life, Cinderella. Well, with iPS cells, doctors can take skin cells from patients with a genetic disease, reprogram them into iPS cells, and then use those cells to make a large population of cells affected by their specific disease. To find the treatment, the researchers can test thousands of different compounds to find the ones that correct that disease in these iPS cell-derived cells. If the drug corrects the disease in these cells, it could very well correct the disease in the patient as well. For rare diseases, this could provide a cost-effective way for pharmaceutical companies to screen drugs for patients. This could also be used to test the efficacy and safety of various drugs against these iPS cell-derived cells. The challenge right now is to develop protocols to coax these stem cells into different cell types in the laboratory. Recently, researchers at Columbia University have developed stem cell models for lung disease and diabetes. And researchers from Japan's National Institute of Advanced Industrial Science and Technology have even transformed iPS cells into beating heart cells. In addition, these iPS cells could also be transplanted back into a patient as a cellular therapy to restore some lost function, or even grown into new organs, as we mentioned earlier in this video series. In our next video, we'll talk about another fundamental technology enabling personalized medicine, namely the development of molecular diagnostics.